man. What's happening? Next one here. Another one of them things. And guess who with me, man?
Why you got the camera on?
BB, man. Got BB with me. We gotta go on by.
My boy coming down.
We gotta go on by school supplies.
School supplies.
We gotta go to Walmart and buy school supplies. Cause she wanna go to school. Like, what kind of
Who
stuff?
wanna go to school? I don't wanna go to school.
What you mean you don't wanna go to
I
school?
don't want to.
Go to school.
But like, I don't think I have a choice. Cause y'all gonna drop me off anyway.
Nah, we ain't gonna even drop you off at that point. Go ahead and take you out.
Take me out.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and knock you over the head. Put you in the old folks home.
No.
It's over with.
No.
So we be going to the old folks home in the next video.
No, I'm not. I'm not gonna be chilling with them old people.
You ain't gonna know the difference.
What you mean I'm not how?
Cause we gonna knock you out. Like you ain't gonna know the difference. You ain't gonna know what you is. You gonna think you old when I get done with you. I'm gonna show you something, buddy. Yeah, we gonna hit you so hard. Between me and your mama, we gonna hit you so hard. You ain't gonna know if you young or old. That's bad. You gonna be like, man, who got the jello?
Eat jello.
You gonna eat it in there?
I don't eat jello.
You must ain't never seen Life.
What?
You ain't seen the movie? You ain't never seen the movie Life?
Yes, I have.
When he was eating jello, the dude was in there with his robe open. Yeah. I don't even want no jello out of what I just said. That's gonna be you. That's gonna be you.
I refuse to eat
You
jello.
gonna eat jello when you in there. That's gonna be a happy time for you. Eat jello and reading cards and stuff. Yep. Oh, my grandbaby's done sent me some more cards. 15 years old, got grandkids. Well, you think we your grandkids? But you think you 115. Yeah. We know where everyone school supplies, man. So decided I'd bring y'all along. Yeah. Decided I'd bring y'all along, man. And yeah. And if y'all had noticed, man, I done reached my goal, man. I've reached my gauge goal, man. I am officially at a 10 millimeter, and that's why I'm stopping. A 10 millimeter, that's a half, that's a double zero gauge. That's where I'm at. I've officially reached a milestone in my life. That's it. That's it for me as far as gauging. I ain't going to big man. I ain't gonna be out here looking crazy. So I think Troy gonna be nice and try to find me some custom gauges, man. Give me some custom gauges, man, with the diamonds and things like that, man. So I can be, when I step out, I'm gonna be stepping out. You know what I'm talking about? We're gonna be hating on me like she always do.
I don't know.
Why you always be hating on me, BB?
I'm not a hater.
Yeah, that's what you say now, but BB, you be hating on me.
I'm not a hater.
You be hating on me, BB, and I don't even understand why.
I don't hate. Some things you gotta be said to people.
See?
That's not hating.
That
I'm not a hater.
It don't even be the truth.
It do be the truth.
No, it don't.
Yes, it do.
Man, it don't even be the truth. You just hate. See what I mean? Whatever. That was a hating remark.
No, it wasn't.
That was hating.
Okay.
Remember, man, yeah, man. We go do the right here and figure out what we're gonna eat today. We'll job back in a minute. This camera here is starting to act up on the phone. My speaker be acting all crazy. The service dog. Didn't I have this music on either because I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. I'm gonna tell him how to run that business. See, what's I'm talking about? I ain't in the best. Now I gotta go.
Steal some old lady basket. I gotta push the old lady down and take her basket so we can get school supplies. Why is you pushing on me? Alright, push it down on me. Get over here. No. It's back here. Y'all wanna witness this? I'm about to push you straight. I'm about to push you straight into the damn jewel case. I'm talking about sideways. People are just like I threw you over there. Where's your mama said we need? You got the list that you need?
No, so she's sending for you.
Alright, we need... I'm better though. And I ain't bring my charger. So we got to go back to the house. It ain't even that much. That's all it was.
2 binders. I don't remember this.
I can't. If I can remember, I wouldn't be looking for it.
2 small binders. With flip. Or just fine and flip.
Some glue sticks. Glue stick.
Glue stick. What's the glue?
What you want, some Elmer's glue? You want some Elmer's glue, just say that. What? Alright, you got the hand roller. You got a blue shirt with pockets. Excuse me. That's a blue photo right there. They got pockets on it. Right there. Yeah. Is that blue or is that green?
This is blue.
Okay, good. Let's see if we got pockets.
Those are pockets.
Yeah, we got pockets. Alright.
2 small binders.
Yeah, 2 small binders. Grab 2 small binders, not the big ones. You want to get 2 white ones, you want to get...
I don't see another
color.
You don't get the same one.
Oh, yeah, flip it black one. Pull it up the camera with my phone.
Look at Flubby Black.
You want the fluffy black?
Which one is it?
I ain't got no more, what's it? That ain't no binder, is it? I'll be back. Just like that. I just spent $1,500.
You did not spend. You just being dramatic. You're being dramatic.
Alright, man, we spent the cool. Spent the cool $15, $14.33, man.
You see, you ain't even in it.
Cool.
You just being dramatic.
Did it on a cool too. But he wanted to see. Look, you good? Appreciate it. I gotta figure out what we finna eat. What's that? You alright? Yeah. Yeah, man, we finna now we gotta figure out what we wanna eat, cause she said she want Mama Bear said she want Chinese food. She said she want Chinese food. You said you hate Chinese food?
I said I already had it this week.
Well, guess it look like you finna get it again, cause I ain't going to different places. Unless you got some money.
Who got some money?
You ain't got no money? You ain't got, man, you ain't got no money?
No.
To buy nothing?
No.
It's over with. Come on, go.
I know she saw it.
I'm sure she did.
I know she
probably laughing.
You just pushed me.
I didn't push you. I didn't push you. I shoved you.
You know what I should have did? I should have been dramatic and I should have just fell out.
Fell out on the ground. Like, guess what I was gonna do? I was gonna keep walking and get in the car and I was gonna leave. How about that? Excuse me.
Sorry.
Are you good?
Sorry. That's bad parenting.
I know it.
That's bad parenting.
That's gonna be the best parenting for the day.
Bad parenting.
Come on, get in the car. Hurry, before I slam you in it. Thank you. Yeah. So, definitely gonna leave her out there on the concrete. Kicking. Oh boy. Yep. So let me call Mama Bear Dog and see she won't, cause I know she won't
10 pounds of teriyaki shrimp chicken with the rice.
After 10 pounds.
And then she gonna want 35 pounds of bang bang shrimp chicken rice fajitas with mega spring roll with the corn rolls and beef rolls. Yeah, I'm exaggerating a little bit, but had to make it entertaining. But yeah, let me call her and change this battery. And might just watch this car driving through the post. Yeah. Figure out what they want, man. Hit y'all back. Yeah. Man, we went about Chinese food. I told y'all, man, she was gonna have it for me now. Yeah, Chinese food. Japanese. Yeah, Japanese food. Now we head to the high. Head to the crib. Gonna eat, sit back, relax. Get ready for school in the morning. Baby gotta go to school in the morning. I bought school supplies, you going to school. That on it. Baby bougie. Get chicks and stuff. Just bougie, man.
I'm not bougie.
Bougie, baby.
Everybody talking shit. I'm not bougie.
Well, that means I'm telling the truth.
No.
A bougie kid. Don't go outside. Ain't never sweat a day in your life. No, you hear me? Ain't never sweat a day in your life. Don't go outside. Sit in the house on the phone, the iPad all day. Sleep. Just don't do nothing. You don't do nothing. You don't do nothing.
What's happening?
You do a few chores. That's it. Like, you don't go outside. You don't sit outside. You ain't got no friends outside. You don't walk to the store. Like, you don't ride a bike.
You won't let me watch this.
That's beside the point. You ain't asked either. You ain't asked for me to tell you now.
Why would I ask if I know you're gonna tell me?
You can get out of my car. Bye. See, look at you. Look at you. Right now. Text me on the phone. Can't even hold a conversation because you text me on the phone.
I can't hold a conversation.
I told her to get out. She's still sitting there. She can't even follow orders because she texted me on the phone.
Because why would I get out
What
the
you
car?
mean, why would
In
you
the
get
middle
out?
of the street.
That's why I put you out it.
In the middle of the street.
Yes.
No.
When I say get out, that means right then, right there.
No. I don't want to get out.
What you mean you don't want to get out?
I don't want to get out.
You don't have an option?
There is an option.
If I tell you to get out, know what I mean? You don't